Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Okay, so for your Wednesday winner, listen, I got a win. I got a winner right here. Winner, chicken dinner. Okay, so baseline was here. I want to say it was here a couple of years ago. Let me see if I can find out when it was here. And I just wanted to be cool with you guys. I want to say it was here back. Um, Yeah, so it was here back. Looks like it was here like back in March or something like that of last year. So if this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like, subscribe. You never know what kind of hacks, what kind of Wednesday winners I'm going to do, what kind of Saturday surprises I'm going to do, um, what kind of Monday madness I'm going to get into. All right, so let's talk about this Wednesday winner, right? So Baseline is basically a tool that takes your logo and it helps you create creatives for your logo, which once you put your logo in, it just gives you all the color schemes and all the color palettes around it. And it gives you a couple of different templates that you can actually use, which I think this is pretty good. I think what I find challenging with using Canva, and I'm not even fully using Canva correctly, I normally just hop in Canva and try to get something done and then get out really fast. What I'm looking for, and which I think this provides, is a way you can say, all right, this is my brand colors. Give me creatives, give me colors that match it, and I can put around it. Also, give me some things that I would say or some personality traits that I want my brand to be configured on. And I think this does a pretty good job of that. So I did download it. I took it off the shelf. We're going to look at what tier I think you should get it. But I was actually surprised because it's very, very well built, right? It's pretty sturdy. Asked a couple of questions to the founder. He's very responsive. Not only that, he's responsible with his answers are very, let's just say there's thought that goes behind his answers. So it's not like they're AI driven answers. His answers are very thought provocative. So I like that in a founder. I like what they're doing. I like the updates that they're making. So let's take a look at this really quick. And this is publisher. So they have a beta place where you can kind of publish, which everybody pretty much has that API where they can publish. That's probably one of the first APIs some of the social medias came up with. So what they do is they gather your color palettes. You just upload the logo and they'll get the color palettes for you and tell you what the colors are, and they'll tell you what other colors that can kind of match with it, which I can really appreciate, right? So then you're able to go in, and so it almost kind of goes into this Canva. This is probably a UI that's out there that it goes into this Canva type of style, and it places your logo in the style already, puts the colors there, and you just go and you just edit it. I made quick work. I made something this morning. I want you to take a look at it. And I did it really, really quick. So I am very impressed. There's 14 days left on this. What I would do, right? I would get maybe a tier 3. And if you at least get a tier 3, you still can create other brands for other people and maybe download those brands or get those assets to someone else. Also, what you can do is, you can actually, it gives you unlimited brands, it gives you unlimited brand guides, but you only get 25 social channels. Where that comes into a play is if you want to post from this particular platform. If you want to post from this particular platform, you can only link up 25 social channels. If you're going to do everything for a client, which I'm thinking as an agency, if you did, then you obviously go with a tier 4. Even a tier 4 is a steal because they give you unlimited social channels, unlimited designs. But to me, in these LTD streets right now, is a little bit tough. Don't forget the LTD street shirts. I think I would go with a tier 3. I went with a tier 3. I don't know that this is not going to be my posting platform of choice, right? I love the creatives though. I really do love the creatives that I can create from it. So I'm going to show you that. So I did go with a tier 3. The verdict is still out if I need a tier 4. And here, let me tell you my challenge with the tier 4, right? There's nothing wrong with it. I think this is an excellent choice, excellent price for a tier 4. I'm just not going to pay $359 right now for a tier 4. And I don't see myself in the future needing to have access to unlimited social channels. I think somebody may, if that's what they do, but I don't think that's something that I want to do at this time. And I'm not saying you shouldn't, but I'm saying you definitely can get away with a tier 3 and still be able to get a small business out of it. If you want to open it up and have VAs everywhere and just creating all this, that's a very competitive space. I can see you doing a tier 4, and you can make your money back off one deal with a tier 4. So I'm not saying you can't do that, but I like this. I like this tool. Let's take a look inside of this tool. But this is a Wednesday winner. Wednesday winner chicken dinner. Look, it's 73 reviews, five tacos. Yeah, that's hard to duplicate, right? And for people to put in an effort to give 73 reviews and they're all 5 tacos, that is saying a lot about this tool. And again, you only have 14 days. I think they're here for a quick moment and then they'll be out of here. Let's take a look inside the tool. I'm not going to do a full walkthrough, but I just want to let you know what I enjoyed mostly about this tool. So just so you can see, for each brand, you can actually set up people to have access. So when you go in here, you can send an invite. With the invite, you can give them design. You can get them creative control, or you can just allow them to control all the assets. And that's only for this brand, right? So if this was, let's say I use this as a client, I would just send this to the client and that client would only be able to see this brand, right? Even though I may have unlimited brands, the client would only be able to see this brand. They would be able to get access to the brand. Now, it's not white label or anything like that. I just say, hey, this is a platform that I use, right? And you could edit and do all that for you. So you only have so many types of clients that you can do that for. So here's what I did, right? So what you have to do is you have to come in, you have to create a new brand. If you wanted to do that, select a team. I'll put no team. Well, actually, I will put a team. Brand name. I'll put Saas Saturdays because I'm trying to create and so do you upload a logo? I'll probably create a logo, but upload a logo. So you can either upload a logo or you can go create a logo. So you can do that. So I'm not going to get into that. I'm actually going to get out of this. I didn't want to get into and showing you all of that, but this is kind of what happens when you put it together. You can get here. Once you get all your assets here, your templates, you can do your publishers and you can do your members here. It'll ask you what you want your tone to be. Add tone of voice, add photography. What kind of photography do you want it to display? Add core values, right? And then you can do that. So let's go back. I just kind of wanted you to see that. And then you can always kind of change your guidelines and get your guidelines straight there. So let's go back. So let me go. Let's go. So here's the one that I actually created for Saas Use Case TV right here. And what they do is if I wanted to go here and let's say I wanted to do a LinkedIn post feed, right? I can go here. It's already taken my colors, right? It's already taken my colors and it gives you the themes behind it and the photos and the serious and, just different things like that, right? And I like the fact that I don't have to go, when I'm using Canva, I have to go and have to put all this scheme in. I think there is some ways in Canva you can do different brands. I just haven't done that yet. But I think just going to one place where I can get all the different colors and the setups, I definitely can do that. So, something like this, right? Where you go in, it already gives you the color. It takes your logo, puts it in there, and then you're just able to go in there and do different things like that. These are the brand colors that showed up for me because they're already there, the document colors. I can go and it has the brand logos and all that already here. This, I really, really like this. This is a Wednesday winner. Let me show you what I created actually. Well, no, it's not necessary. So yeah, this is a Wednesday winner. Now, I will be back with a surprise on Saturday. And also what I will do is I have if you're subscribed to this, if you're a member of this channel and you have at least a level tier 3, right? At least a tier 3, I'm going to show you probably the hack it's either going to be the hack of the quarter. It's not the hack of the year, but it's definitely for this last quarter going into 2025, the ending of this 2024. I'm going to show you a major hack. So those of you who are tier 3 and above, this is well worth it. So every now and then I drop these real serious golden nuggets. I'm going to drop in your lap, right? And you can go into 2025 with a business based on this hack, based on these 2 tools I'm going to show you. I'm going to do that Saturday. I'm going to do a live stream, and I may do a live stream, or I may do a recorded. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a live stream to walk you through the play, or you just want a video if you're tier 3 and above on this channel. I think it's like $9 or something like that. But the value that I give you, you get access to the inner circle, and you're actually able to see a lot of other things that people are not seeing. So that is coming this Saturday. It's going to be major. It's the hack of the quarter. I don't know if it's the hack of the year. I may do the hack of the year in a couple of weeks. This is definitely the hack of the quarter. No one, I can assure you, no one has given you this hack, right? Now you guys know I'm the king of hacks. All right. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. See you guys. Goodbye for now.